One simple thing. One simple thing to make junk journaling easier. One simple thing or idea to help you focus on your journaling and how you want it to turn out. So sometimes we just need to narrow down our topic or narrow down our project down to the one thing, and that can help us get more creative. So today's one simple thing is actually number 5, which I'm retitling it actually to let a shape be enough. On your sheet, it is use a shape as a quiet guide, and that's good, but I want it to be more because a shape can dictate your page. Like, for instance, a circle can soften things, a square can ground things. And you don't have to have a certain plan necessarily, just a place to begin. So, for my winter journal, I'm going to use a shape of a snowflake, and that's what I'm going to use on my page. So, before I get started, I'm actually going to blow this wonderful candle out. And if you saw yesterday's video, you know why. All right. So we're going to pick a page and we're going to be using snowflake. Now you can see I have a lot of snowflakes. This page here, we used circles. And actually, it kind of looks like almost planets to me. But anyway, so what we're going to use today are snowflakes. And so we're going to add a base at the bottom of the page. So I think we're going to go on this page here. And I've got some distressed crackle paste. So before I add any shape to my page, I want to take some crackle paste and I just want to put some up here at the bottom. It will crackle as it dries, but I just want the idea of snow. All right, so you can see I added a little fine glitter to the crackle paste. It is Winter Sparkle Iridescent Glitter Moonlight Frost. Okay, so now we're going to start with our shape. And I thought it would be fun to use some of the tissue paper snowflakes. So I'm actually going to wad them up and get them crinkly. And then we're going to put them on the page. And really all I'm going to do with this page is I'm going to add some snowflakes, and that's really all that's my intention. So just to change it a bit, let me zoom in for you. If you wanted just to do squares, so I've got a couple of squares here, and they could be side pockets like this, or they could be pockets on the same page, or you could even overlap them. So for instance, just letting the square be enough on your page. So we're just going to put around 3 edges the glue. We're going to put this one up here at the top. That's going to be a pocket. Okay, and then you can take your second one and we're just going to put glue around 3 edges. So we've got 2 squares. We're just going to slightly overlap at the bottom of this one. So then you can see that I've got a pocket here and a pocket here. And then the squares are actually enough, right? Squares kind of ground the page, and I could add more, of course, but this is what I'm talking about, shapes. So you have squares here, then on this one, the shape of snowflakes. Snowflakes making the winter page. So anyway, just wanted to give you that. And then on this page, it actually kind of has a dual thing, is your circles. Circles can, you know, create that calm feeling. Actually, I look at this and I think of planets and snow and atmosphere and whatever. So I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed today's one simple thing, and I wish you a very good day. Thanks so much for watching.